Each user in Fergus has their own set of permissions, letting you fine-tune exactly what they can access. This means you have control over what your staff can see and do in Fergus. Let's dive right in. First, go to Settings under the profile icon in the top right and select Users from the menu on the left. From there, click on the user whose permissions you'd like to edit. You'll notice several tabs across the top, but the one we're looking for is the last one, Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of permissions and their current settings. To make changes, click Edit Permissions in the top right corner. Now, let's walk through how permissions work. There's a lot to choose from, but we've grouped them to make it easier to find what you're looking for. Feel free to go through each permission and customize as needed. And good news, there are faster ways to set up the right permissions for your users. In the top left corner, you'll see the Copy Permissions From option. This gives you two shortcuts. First, you can use a default permission profile. We've created preset profiles tailored to different types of users. Just pick the one that fits best, and you're good to go. You can still make adjustments afterwards if you need to. The alternative option here is to copy an existing user's profile. If you've already set up another user with the exact permissions you want, you can save time by copying their settings. This is perfect for multiple users with similar roles. Once you're happy with the changes, click Update Permissions in the bottom right corner, and you're all set. And one final quick tip. Ask your user to log out and back into Fergus after their permissions are updated. This ensures they'll see the changes right away.